Welcome is a high-end smartphone that was released in October 2020. I am talking about Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Advantages: the battery works for a long time during the day because it is 4400 mAh. With the energy-efficient Kirin 9000 5G octa-core processor, 5 nanometers technology. It supports fast charging and wireless charging, and the charging speed has become very excellent. The external speakers support stereo sound and provide very clear and audible sound. The face unlock is excellent in this phone and works even in the dark thanks to the IR. The OLED screen provides outstanding performance, in addition to its support for the 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen provides saturated colors and sharp details in terms of details. The cameras, both front and rear, provide excellent performance. It comes with a 50-megapixel triple rear camera. Front, 13-megapixel. The OLED screen provides outstanding performance, in addition to its support for the 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen provides saturated colors and sharp details in terms of details. It comes with a 6.76-inch screen with Full HD resolution. You will get one of the most powerful phones in terms of performance, as the phone is capable of running anything on your phone thanks to the leading processor. Disadvantages of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro mobile phone: it does not officially support Google services, relying only on Huawei services. It does not support 8K photography, while the Samsung Galaxy S20 does. Not all users are fans of the curved screen, which has a strong curvature at the edges. Competing phones support the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz, but Huawei stated that it did this to save battery. But why is the user not free to choose through the settings? If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.